start out, we're going to be making our crab cake mix. Just 1 gallon of mayonnaise. Then we're going to take a quart of egg. Okay. We're going to take a cup of Dijon mustard. Okay. 4 ounces of Old Bay. 6 ounces of Worcestershire sauce and 2 ounces of lemon juice. And then 4 ounces of parsley. We're just going to mix that together. Until everything is consistent. And there is our mix. Okay? And over here, we have 6 pounds of our jumbo lump crab meat and 3 pounds of super lump crab meat. We just gently mix that together. Sprinkle our Japanese breadcrumb, which is also called panko, about 1.5 cups over top. We're going to add 36 ounces of this mix to our crab. Okay. We're gently going to fold the meat and the sauce together. We're going to try not to use our thumbs and not to break up the crab meat. You never want to do this with a spatula or a whisk or a spoon. You just want to hand mix the crab cake together gently to incorporate all the ingredients. A little bit more mix. Okay. We have right here, we have these nice big lumps of crab meat still in here. And that's what we want right there. Okay, and now we're going to refrigerate this overnight. Let it sit for 24 hours, and then we'll portion scoop it out and bake it in the oven tomorrow. So it's now been 24 hours to let our crab cake mix sit overnight. And we portion scooped our crab cake out here, used our 4-ounce portion scoop. We have it in our pan here. We're going to pop it in the oven until the edges are golden brown. So we've had our crab cake in the oven about 12 to 14 minutes. It's a 4-ounce portion. It comes out of the oven nice and golden brown. We're going to take it off our tray here and put it on our plate. We serve it with tartar sauce and lemon. And then we're just going to dust the top with a little more Old Bay. And that's our melon style crab cake.